Hey guys, Seth Helgeson here with your favorite player, John Stevens, number 18. We're here playing a game, two truths and a lie. I know, I got two. I'm trying to think of the third.
I went to 5 high schools. I'm half Korean, and I had a pet gerbil named Squidward.
Yeah, the last one for sure.
Yeah, you got it.
All right. I have a brother in the AHL. I have a baby boy named Kevin, and my first pet's name was Casey.
I think you have a baby boy. That's it.
Yeah, I don't have a kid.
I have 3 older sisters. I have a boxer dog named Echo. And I'm a twin.
You're not a twin.
Nah, I'm not a twin. He's got me there.
My dad invented the paintball. My favorite thing to do in the summer is skateboard. And I used to be a big skier when I was younger.
I don't know. I think you're a video game guy, so I don't think skateboarding is something in your.
That's correct.
1, I'm from Minnesota, southern Minnesota. 2, I graduated from college. And 3, I'm currently married. Which one is true? Which one is false?
I want to say that you're not currently married, but I'm not totally sure if you did graduate from Minnesota. But I'm gonna go with that you're not currently married. How's that?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So, shout out to I'm single. So,
First one is that I'm colorblind. Second one is that I grew up in Central Jersey, and third one is that I have a younger brother.
I'm gonna say interesting. Huh. You didn't grow up in Central Jersey, so I'm gonna say that's false, and the other 2 are true. I'm